ShiftCam have just released a new suite of products, their Snap series, and I'm pretty excited about them because they are perfect for the mobile creator, whether you're making vertical videos, films for YouTube, or just with your family and friends. I think they've just released what might be the perfect mobile studio for me, and maybe you too. Thanks to ShiftCam for sending prototypes of what they're releasing on Indiegogo. I say most of it because I won't get one part until next month, when I'll be able to test the full creator kit. So consider this a sneak once over lightly preview of what you would get. The Snap series is a cool system of mobile accessories that easily snap together with magnets. Just snap it and set your gear up easily for vlogging, filmmaking, whatever you need. No complex setups needed. Plus, the compact design lets you take your full content creation toolkit anywhere you want. Now, I've reviewed ShiftCam products before. In fact, one of their products I reviewed is one of the most popular videos on my channel. That was the Snap Grip, which has now been updated as part of the Snap series because, as well as stronger and more secure magnetic mounting, it's twice as powerful as before. Now it has a built-in 5000 milliamp hour battery with turbocharged 20 watts of power through USB-C. And it also has improved Qi 2 wireless charging rated at 15 watts. In case you didn't know, Qi 2 is the new enhanced wireless charging standard developed by the Wireless Power Consortium. Qi 2's magnetic power profile provides improved wireless charging compared to what came before. And ShiftCam reckons that this new Qi 2 protocol based Snap Grip is up to 3 times faster than the last generation Snap Grip. All this comes in a product that is only 5% bigger than the Snap Grip Classic, and it's compatible with iPhones 12 and up. Now the cool thing is that this new Snap Grip now integrates with the new accessories, and we'll run through those right now. First, let's talk about the big fella. This is the Snap Stand Max. It's not just a tripod built for your MagSafe phone and other accessories in the Snap series, but with this you can go higher than other tripods that are much bigger and weightier than this compact but large stand. Because this can go from 28 centimeters in length in its folded state to 180 centimeters tall. And this is a pretty snappy expansion mechanism for the relatively wide and stable base too. I mean, you need to be careful in any kind of wind, but it's a pretty good base. And even the best tripod that goes up to 180 centimeters would probably need some kind of stability weight in any breeze. But it's got these aluminium crossbars built in to help with that stability, and it works pretty well in my testing at home. Now this big stand has a 200-degree tilt head to get a perfect angle like an overhead shot, as well as a removable Bluetooth remote for versatile shooting situations. I love this. And also a little bit because I can pretend it's a lightsaber too. Let's shrink things down a bit and talk about the Snap Stand Selfie next up in the Snap series. That's a bit of a tongue twister. This is a compatible selfie stick that integrates into the magnetic system to bring you more versatility in your shooting, like being able to snap on this little snap pocket light to light up your selfie photos and videos, or whatever you're shooting using the main camera on your phone. Anyway, this also has a 200-degree tilting head, a Bluetooth remote, and also works as a stand too. Alright, this is where I haven't quite got to test this part of the Snap series kit yet, but it's something I'm pretty excited about for my home and travel studio setup. The Snap Studio light is a ring light unlike anything I've seen before. It's rectangular shape, which is also MagSafe compatible, and it integrates with the rest of the system. It is 38% smaller compared to a circular ring light. ShiftCam tells me it has 102 LEDs, pumps out 440 to 600 lumens of light power, and has temperature control from 2500 to 6000 Kelvin with physical buttons to adjust temperature and brightness. My sense is that I need to pump the power on this light up close to maximum to get a good effect for my filming, but I won't know for sure until I try it. ShiftCam may have some demos you can see on their Indiegogo site. But what I do know is that to get max brightness, you'll need to connect it up to a power source, which is where the Snap Grip comes in. Include that in your setup and run a USB cable into the Snap Studio light, and you're able to power the light at max setting even when away from a mains power socket. The magnetic puck in the center of the studio light that attaches to your phone can also rotate 180 degrees for maximum versatility when playing with your light angles. And with the built-in battery in the Snap Studio Light, it can keep going for 40 minutes at max brightness. It also comes with built-in screw threads on all sides if that works better for you in your mounting setup. There's more in the series than I've mentioned here, so if you want to find out more and be first in the queue, the link to the Snap series over on Indiegogo is in my video description. And I think you'll like this video on my ultra portable Hyperlight media creation and consumption kit too. I'll see you there.